Hey guys, join me as I get ready for work. It is my first solo flight as a senior cabin crew and I can't wait. And I'm also going to show you how I do my lip routine, which I get countless compliments on from my colleagues and friends. So I'm so excited to do this video. Let's just get started. I've already prepped my skin. All I have to do is put on this under eye mask to prep me for my under eye makeup and also to avoid any eyeshadow fallouts. I'm also going to prep my lips with this MAC lip oil to keep my lips moisturized all throughout the makeup routine, and I'm going to top it off with this lip plumper that I have been using for years. This is my secret to plump, juicy lips. I am officially one of the people who are now using eyeshadow primer, and I think it's living up to the hype. It really helps my eyeshadow stay on last longer, which is key for me. And speaking of eyeshadow, I'm using my Norvina Anastasia palette. I am taking the lightest bronzy shade to contour my eyelids, and this is such a crucial step for me because this is how I'm gonna map out my eyeshadow look for today. For that smoky effect, I'm taking like a mid-tone shade on the outer V of my eyes, and this just gives my eyes such a definition. I also like to bring the color in the middle part of my crease as well. Moving on now to the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm taking this like ruby pinkish shade on my inner eyelid just to brighten up my eyes. Trying my best not to overdo it because I'm now going to deep set my eyes with this dark brown shade on the crease, and I'm bringing it also like into the middle part of the eyes. My sister taught me this trick to give the illusion of rounder eyes. I'm applying here some natural strip lashes. I don't like to wear mascara these days. It's such a subtle look, but it makes such a difference. I am lining a sexy little wing here to give my eyes a little more drama. I am taking a break from the eye makeup here and focus now on the face by using a stainless steel face roller to massage and depuff my face as well. Determined to make my face makeup last longer, I have invested in a good primer by Urban Decay. This is their all-nighter version, and I'm applying it all over the face. I'm using my favorite Estee Lauder foundation, and I'm just taking a dollop and I'm focusing on pressing the product into my skin rather than just swiping it, and I feel like it gives you the best coverage and doesn't take the product away. Only my Tarte Shape Tape goes under my eye bags, nothing else. This is my tried and true product. I have been using this for so many years and this has never failed me. I'm gonna let my concealer marinate for a while to focus on the brows. I am a fan of a natural brushed up look, so I'm applying a brow gel setter by Benefit, and I'm using this K Palette brow pen to mimic some brow hairs. I'm also using the Strokes microblading pen. I'm using the Benefit Highbrow for that lifted look. So far, this has been the best brow routine for me. I have just been loving natural, not staged looking brows, and I think it looks so good. By this time, the concealer has oxidized, so I'm going to blend it all the way now. This gives me the full coverage effect for my under eyes. Now I'm going to spritz some MAC Fix Plus to introduce to you my newest baby, the Makeup Forever HD Skin Matte Velvet Powder Foundation. I'm using a brush to stipple the product over my face since I just applied a liquid foundation. However, as the summer is coming up, I'm using this product as it is. I thought I would be leaving behind the baking technique back in 2016 where it belongs. However, I think they're onto something because I have been putting this on top of my bronzer and blush because it gives that soft focus, almost diffused looking effect, especially when I put on my blush. I'm just using here the Tarte Clay Blush Palettes, and I'm always applying it higher than it should be, even up to my temples and to my eyeline area because it gives me that lifted look. I'm even applying some more on top for that blurring effect. It looks so good. This is something that I will be doing moving forward in my next makeup routine. And of course, I will never skip on highlighter. This is such a must. I think it ties everything together. Even doing my nose contour, I like to make it as subtle as possible because again, I am going to work, not to a show. So I just keep it very simple, but the highlighter on my nose, I go ham on this one, especially in my eyebrows as well, to give everything that lifted look. And I also like to put a lot on the inner corners. This brightens my eyes instantly. And now I'm going to define my eyes by putting some dark brown eyeliner on the bottom. And I'm smudging it out using the leftover eyeshadow pigment from the brush just to make everything look softer and nice. So I like to put on this white or nude eyeliner on my bottom waterline. This really makes my eyes look so big. And look, it's so nice, right? And now for the bottom lashes, I believe in loads of mascara. So I'm using this one by the Maybelline Great Lash. It's not so good on my upper lash, so I tend to use it on the bottom. And again, lots of highlighter again. I'm so excited to show you my lip routine. So I start first with pressing my lips together, and I'm just like creating like another set of lip line. And this gives you like the illusion of a fuller lips, but without making it too obvious. And smudging it makes it more natural. So this has been my trick to giving you that plump and fuller lips. And for my lipstick, I'm just using this one by You. It's a local brand in the shade Paloma. And on top, I am using this MAC lip gloss. I love the shine it gives without being too sticky or too glossy. And it smells so good like vanilla. And this is the finished look. So I am so excited now to head to work, to fly. As my first role as a senior cabin crew, I'm actually excited, and I am so happy to share this moment with you guys. I cannot believe I've reached this stage of my life, and I can't wait to embark on this new journey. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!